below, guys. Hope you are all will be good. My today's video is about lips, how to beautify our lips. So keep watching this video till end. First of all, it's my humble request for my new viewers, please subscribe my channel to see more videos. So viewers, let's start our video. There are lots of short-term and long-term ways to improve lip fullness, outline, and size. Today we are going to explain you best way to make your lips bigger than their original shape. We can do it easily at home, with no side effects. Facial and scrubs can be used on lips as well, but at lips massaging for a few minutes to remove their flaky cells. It will make your lips soft and healthy. We can make own scrub at home with equal amount of sugar and olive oil and exfoliate your lips. We can also use toothbrush too for exfoliating as well. Hydrate your lips with moisturizers and lip balms. Try to apply moisturizer every day, especially if it's cold, or especially dry and windy out. Make a habit to drink minimum of 60 ounces, 8 cups, per day. This will make your body healthy, and also it is another way to hydrate to your lips from inside. Now it's time to select lipstick color and shade. I preferred any lighter colors because dark color looks slightly slimming while light color not. Light color can grab more attention from the dark color. Line your lips right along the outer edge of your lips using liner, then line just a bit on your actual lip. This will make your lips look slightly bigger instead of their natural shape. Take your favorite lipstick and apply at your lips, using a brush to blend it into your lip liner, as to remove any harsh lines. Use slightly lighter lipstick and after applying blend it with your lips until it will give you natural look. Use a clear gloss on top to help reflect the light to give the illusion of a fuller lip. If lip gloss irritate you, then you can also apply a lighter lip shade at both top and bottom lip, but apply it to the middle of your lips, not the right and left sides. It will spread when you press your lips to each other but will be concentrated in the middle, making your lips look fuller. Take a sheer highlighter in your preferred form, brush or liquid, and touch up the top of your natural cupid's bow to make your lips seem fuller. Using a matte bronze, apply some in the curve under your lips and above your chin. This will give the impression that your lips are more raised up. So this will be your final result. You will see your lips looks much bigger than before. So guys, this was my today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please like my video, share with friends and subscribe my channel to see more videos. If you have any question and query about this video, you can write in comments or mail me at my email address. I must reply at the earliest. Thanks again. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.